Likes to spend the summer's holiday down beside the side of the silvery sea. I'm no exception to the rule. In fact, if I'd my way, I'd reside by the side of the silvery sea. But when you're just the common garden smith or Jones or Brown at business up in town, you've got to settle down. You save up all the money you can till summer comes around. Then away you go to a spot you know, where the cockle shells are found. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. I do like to be beside the sea. I do like to stroll upon the prom, where the brass bands play tiddly on, pom. So just let me be beside the seaside. I'll be beside myself with glee. And there's lots of girls besides I should like to be beside the seaside, beside the sea. Timothy went to Blackpool for the day last Easter tide, to see what he could see by the side of the sea. Soon he reached the station there, the first thing he espied was the wine lounge roasted open inviting me. To quench his thirst he toddled inside and called out for a wine, which grew to 8 or 9, till his nose began to shine. Said he, what people see in the sea, I'm sure I failed to see. So he caught the train back home again, and to his wife said he, oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. I do like to be beside the sea. I do like to stroll upon the prom, where the brass bands play tiddly on, pom. So just let me be beside the seaside. I'll be beside myself with glee. And there's lots of girls besides I should like to be beside the seaside, beside the sea. William Sykes the burglar, he'd been out to work one night and filled his bag with jewels, cash and plate. Constable Brown felt quite surprised when William hove in sight. Said he, the hours you're keeping are far too late. So he grabbed him by the collar and lodged him safe and sound in jail. Next morning looking pale, Bill told a tearful tale. The judge said, for a couple of months I'm sending you away. Said Bill, how kind, well if you don't mind, where I spend my holiday. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. I do like to be beside the sea. I do like to stroll upon the prom, where the brass bands play tiddly on, pom. So just let me be beside the seaside. I'll be beside myself with glee. And there's lots of girls besides I should like to be beside the seaside, beside the sea.